Welcome to one of the most awe-inspiring places on Earth, the Grand Canyon. Stretching 277 miles long and plunging over a mile deep, this natural wonder is not just a sight to behold. It's an adventure waiting to happen. Carved over millions of years by the mighty Colorado River, the Grand Canyon's striking layers tell a story that's almost 2 billion years old. These colors and layers are like a time capsule, revealing Earth's history, one rock layer at a time. And let's talk about the views. Whether you're standing on the South Rim or braving the less traveled North Rim, the vistas will leave you breathless. But did you know only about 10% of visitors venture to the North Rim? It's a hidden gem with cooler temps and fewer crowds. The South Rim is the go-to spot for first-time visitors, offering iconic viewpoints like Mather Point and Yavapai Observation Station. But here's a tip. For a quieter, equally stunning view, check out Desert View Watchtower. It's a bit farther out, but trust me, it's worth the drive. And then there's the Colorado River, the lifeblood of this incredible canyon. It's not just for looks. Adventurers raft down its rapids, experiencing the canyon from a whole new angle. Fun fact, the Colorado River is still shaping the Grand Canyon, though at a much slower pace now. Sunsets here are legendary, painting the sky in colors you won't believe are real. But here's a secret. Try catching the sunrise instead. You'll avoid the crowds, and the soft morning light brings out the canyon's details like no other time of day. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's Havasu Falls tucked away in a side canyon. A paradise of turquoise water and waterfalls, it feels like a hidden oasis. But it's not an easy trip. You'll need to hike 10 miles to reach this secluded spot, but trust me, it's worth every step. The Grand Canyon isn't just about nature, it's rich in history too. Native American tribes have called this land home for thousands of years. And let's not forget the early explorers. Did you know that John Wesley Powell, the one-armed explorer, was the first to lead an expedition down the Colorado River in 1869? That's some serious adventure spirit. At night, the canyon takes on a whole new vibe. Designated as an international dark sky park, the Grand Canyon is one of the best places in the U.S. for stargazing. On a clear night, you can see the Milky Way stretch across the sky. It's like nothing you've ever seen. And if you think you've explored it all, think again. The Grand Canyon hides caves that are still being discovered. In fact, only about 350 caves have been mapped, and there are likely hundreds more waiting to be explored. Some of these caves hold ancient artifacts, and others are just waiting for the next great discovery. Whether you're hiking, rafting, stargazing, or simply soaking in the views, the Grand Canyon is an experience that touches everyone who visits. So when you come here, and you absolutely should, don't just look at it, feel it, explore it, and find your own secret corner of this natural wonder.